Guys, what if you could battle, explore, and earn crypto in a retro-style universe? Well, I would like to welcome you to what is known as Pixelverse. It isn't just a game. It's a revolution where every pixel is actually turned into profit. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. It is for educational purposes only. Let's break it down. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome to what is known as the Pixelverse. And if you guys do not know, they got a lot of things to offer. We're talking about retro style play to earn battle. Not only that, you guys, they have a dual token economy, NFT utility, and ownership. And it's actually backed by major Web3 players. All right, look at this. I have to admit, I love the way that this looks. Okay, I love it. All right. If we actually take a look here, you can actually go to what is known as Explore now. You guys can see that right there. A whole bunch of details. Explore the world of Kronos. I like that. Not only that, we got Dominate in bots combat. Awesome. And we even have control of the economy. And we got Pixelverse bot. Yes. All right. So listen, you guys are probably thinking, what is this about? Well, it is definitely a fast 2D combat with RP elements. All right, so you can actually earn tokens through player versus everyone missions or player versus player tournaments, right? And they also have a unique, let's say, pet system with NFT companions, right? I definitely have to admit, I love that, right? And you guys will see right here, you're actually going to be able to explore, okay, the Pixelverse NFTs. And we'll talk about that right now. So obviously we got characters, we got weapons, and we have pets that are, tradable, right? Or tradable as NFTs. And if we actually click right here for Explore Collection, you guys need to understand, I mean, this is going to be a big opportunity as mentioned, okay? So we're talking about rare NFTs. They unlock special abilities. Not only that, you guys, but we're talking about game mode, right? So they have special utilities and game mode. All right, special abilities, I guess I should say. So they've got player-owned shops and marketplace. All right. So if you guys do not know, I mean, listen, they also have a token. All right. So we got play, earn, dominate. I like that. But they also have a token. All right. And their token is very important. All right. We have the overall economy. So we have what is known as Pix5. So we're talking about the main governance and staking token. And then they even have what is known as battle. Right, you guys can see Pix5 right here and NFTs, but they even have battle. Technically, can be earned through gameplay. Right, it's exchangeable for rewards. Okay, and we're talking about it has deflationary mechanics to sustain value. If you guys do not know, they definitely have a lot of partners. Okay, so you guys can see right here, registered users. There's a massive amount of people, especially in the community, which is good. And we even have angels and advisors, right? We have partners, as stated. You guys, we're talking about Binance Labs, okay? We're talking about Animoca brands. We're talking about Polygon. Upcoming, I mean, they got mobile launch, cross-chain expansion, which is good. And yeah, you guys. So I want you guys to understand, you can definitely jump into this literally without an initial investment, all right? They got a guild system. You can actually team up for shared rewards, and they even have seasonal events, all right? So obviously, limited time rewards and boss battles, right? And I need you guys to understand that. So anyways, if we take a look here, we got the Pixel Tap, okay? Kind of click on that, and you guys can see exactly how this is going to look. We have the bot, right? Just kind of perfect back there, though. Let's give it a second here. And you go right here to start. And you guys can see right here, pretty easy and simple. Launch bot, you have a channel, all that jazz. You guys can see that right here. Explore their game library. We got meme battle, meme jump, and pixel tap. And right here, well, that's literally easy and simple, as mentioned. You guys will see right here, pixel tap, all right, claim. Let's go ahead and do that. This is daily rewards. You guys can see right here, we have a lot that we can choose from and a lot of different, once again, meme jump battle, right? Tap fights, right? So you guys can see here, upgrade, right? So anyways, big opportunity, guys. I have to admit, it's pretty fun, pretty exciting. I think it's going to do really well. I think a lot of people are going to be joining. You want to definitely check them out right here. Whenever it comes to the Twitter, right? You want to make sure that you follow, right? Smash out them hearts as I just did. Show some appreciation, right? Pixie 5 USDT is already on fire today. Right? So yeah, you guys, big opportunity. All right. As stated, you definitely do not want to miss out. They even have a Discord that you can check out as well. So dive down into it, you guys. Do not miss out on this project. Okay. You can dive down into the website as well. We got the gameplay about. They even have like a dashboard here. All right. You'll be able to dive down into that as well. All right. So let me know what you think. All right. Links are going to be down below. Alrighty. So ladies and gentlemen, if you will, please leave some comments down below and check out the description. Let me know, what did you guys think about Pixelverse? Me personally, I think it's great. I think it's amazing. And I also think that it provides a lot of opportunity. Smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.